Okay, good evening, everyone. Welcome to the World Poetry Day. And we have with us Dr. TSS Rao, sir, our IPS president. We have with us Dr. Kishore Mishra, sir, our IPS West Zone president. So, sir, we request Dr. Mishra, sir, to please give the presidential address and welcome our chief guest, Dr. TSS Rao, sir.
Acha, Darpan, you can start now. I thinking you can just wait for 2-3 minutes.
Okay, we
If
will
others
wait.
have to join, we have only
No
7
problem.
people
We
till
will
now.
begin with your address, sir. Right.
अच्छा TSS सर को कहीं जाना तो नहीं है ना?
वही TS also will 5
हाँ
minutes will be
ठीक है
fine.
ठीक है. If you okay, we will start because I was just telling you just 7 people we will start then. Sir, good evening, sir.
Good
TSS
evening.
sir, good evening. You are welcome to our and we are very happy and privileged to have you here in this World Poetry Days. And Dr. Darpan, Dr. Alkesh, and the team they are doing a good work. And we know the role of the mental health and poetry, and like all the poets in our mental health. I think Vinay Kumar sir could have also joined. He's one of the bigger poet in actually in mental health scenario. So, and we welcome you all, sir. And no, I'll not go into detail about the role of a poet in the mental health. We have got all the big poets in our fraternity, like Tushar sir, Dr. Bedi, and Darpan is herself is a big poet. And with this short welcome address, I request Darpan to carry on with the programs. And I'm really grateful to having TSS sir with us. Thank you, Darpan. You can go ahead and start the program.
Thank you so much, sir. I think that the chairperson of the committee is Dr. Alkesh and his wife, Dr. Ashwini. They are
Yes, I
supposed
was
to
looking for
be
the
in the
Alkesh
program
actually.
today. So we will wait for them to join, or we will request Dr.
Darpan, tell
TSS
somebody to
Rao,
give them a
sir.
link. If already TSS sir has joined, it is not nice that they are joining late. Just tell
Yes,
somebody to
we
give a
will
ring
wait
to
for
Alkesh.
the chairperson, or yeah, or Sharon Mishra, sir. Should we move to Dr. TSS Rao, sir? We will welcome
Yes, because we will not keep
Sir,
waiting, sir. And you can
TS.
start.
Good evening, TSS Rao, sir.
Hello.
Sir, will you give your message to us? Sir, your video is not there.
Yes, sir is there, very
Now,
much there.
not there.
Rao, sir, video is
नहीं सर वीडियो ऑन करना है सर
Okay.
सर
There is so many phone calls are coming now. That was actually it. Okay, 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Such a
Yes.
wonderful time. In fact, World Poetry Day and Darpan. At least this month, I have seen almost 2 poems. Read it very closely also, and one of those photographs what you have taken from your window.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Colorful things which were actually there. I appreciated those things because it was something wonderful.
Thank you, sir.
I do believe that, poetry is the soul of every individual or maybe the personality. In fact, these are the people who are very creative and one who adds a lot of color and, in fact, the meaning to the life. I'm extremely happy that this is being celebrated, and I can see, of course, for a little while I was talking to Dr. Jagawat in the meeting. I'm in Kota now, and in the background you are seeing so many nice, beautiful saris. I think that is adding color to the meeting. I'm more than confident that, in fact, one to be actually creative, bring out many of the things, and many ways are there. But poetry is one thing which is one is difficult. Second one, intellectually speaking, it speaks high about the people who are doing a great job. And I can tell you, when we are talking about as mental health specialists,
Dr. TSS Rao, sir, your video is not coming. Can you on the video?
there is Dr. Agarwal Kota repeatedly calling me. That's why it is getting blocked. Okay, are you sure? Got it now? Okay.
Yes, I got it.
So it is something wonderful. For a little while, I'm in one of the sari shop.
Yes, sir. Wonderful.
Are we getting one, sir?
My wife had told me to bring some Kota Dorian saris.
And what about us, sir?
So literally in one of the shop here doing this shopping. So nice. I'll be there, whatever extent possible here, but then I'll be sitting in the car and then I'll start listening to. In
Okay.
fact, you people are wonderful, doing great thing, and more than anything else, you are keeping us actually stimulated by this poetry. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, TSS Rao, sir. Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Mishra, sir. Sir, I think that Dr. Alkesh Patil, who's the chair, Dr. Ashwini Mule, she is going to give the introduction, and we should wait for Dr. Abhijit and Dr. Alkesh or Dr. Ashwini Mule, or we should go ahead. What do you advise?
Darpan, you can go ahead. Darpan, you can go ahead because we cannot keep others waiting. So they should join on their own time. You can start the program.
Sure, sure.
Because you cannot keep such so many senior people waiting.
अंडी चार्ज चलेगा राइट हम पानी में अपना चार्ज लेके हैं अरे अच्छा आज ब्रश
Yes, yes. Admin, can you mute everyone? Admin, can you mute everybody? Yes, yes. Right. So I think that today is World Poetry Day, and we have with us today 8 psychiatrists who will be reciting poetry in our program. And I will give a 1-minute break to just invite the person who is supposed to introduce the program and give them a call. In case if they are not available, then we will within a minute proceed. Hello, everybody. Can you hear me? So we have Dr. Ashwini Mule Patil, who is supposed to moderate our program, and Dr. Alkesh Patil, who is the chair of the program. They will be joining us shortly. So I think that till then I will begin the program, and when they join in, then they can continue with the introduction and moderation. So as planned for today's program, my role is just to read the poetry, but I'm going ahead with the introductions. So today is World Poetry Day. The Poets of Psychiatry Group, in collaboration with the IPS West Zone Art and Cultural Subcommittee, cordially invite you to an online creative evening on poetry for the psych. An evening where words meet wellness and poetry becomes a window to the mind. So it is featuring poets and psychiatrists, myself, Dr. Darpan Kaur, Dr. Gulbahar Sidhu, Dr. Deepali Gul, Dr. Ananta Dave, Dr. Rajeshri Ray, Dr. Tushar Jagawat, Dr. H.K. Bedi, Dr. Rajiv Jain. Today's program is scheduled on 21st March 2026, 8 to 9 p.m. The program highlights begins with presidential address by Dr. Shirod Mishra, sir. Our chief guest, Dr. TSS Rao, sir, with his inspirational words, welcome address by the IPS West Zone Secretary, Dr. Abhijit Pai. Introduction by Dr. Alkesh Patil, the chairperson of the committee, moderated by Dr. Ashwini Mule, convener of the committee, and the word of thanks by Dr. Kavan Lakrawala, member of the committee. So this program is in collaboration with the Poets of Psychiatry group and myself, Dr. Darpan Kaur. I also write poetry as the Mirror Poet. I'm the founder of this Poets of Psychiatrist group and also advisor to the IPS West Zone Art and Culture Subcommittee. So it takes me great honor to welcome you all for today evening's program. And I also want to share with you that it's the World Poetry Day and also I think the World Sparrow Day. And it's also today Navroz Mubarak. It's also Happy Eid and it also happens to be my happy birthday.
Congratulations, happy birthday.
Okay, thank you everyone. It's my happy birthday. So
Happy
please,
birthday to you. Many
excitement,
best wishes. Best
excitement.
wishes. Yeah.
Yes, yes. So I'm reading my poetry, which I've written impromptu for this day. So
Dr. Darpan, you are muted.
So I begin the program. It's filled with excitement and the smiley balloon is there. I saw it yesterday, so I purchased it. And building the excitement for the program, I'm going to start my poem.
Happy birthday, Darpan.
Thanks. Okay, so my poetry. It is World Poetry Day. It is World Sparrow Day. It is my happy birthday. Amidst cookies, cakes, and ice cream, poetry for the psyche is the theme, a beautiful, magical dream. Life is a great fest. Give it your best. Live it your best. Sending you love and happiness, joy, gratitude, and mindfulness, tranquility, wisdom, and calmness. Poetry for the psyche. Live your life while reciting poetry on the mic. The Mirror Poet is wishing you, while you wish Mirror Poet too. Mirroring each other we do, so let us smile from the heart. The birthday girl is doing her part. Be good, kind, and smart. Life is beautiful like a sweet dream. Poetry for the psyche is the theme. Magic, glitter, and gleam. Let them fill your life each day, each and every way. The golden sun ray. Yes, it is my happy birthday. Yes, it is World Sparrow Day. Yes, it is World Poetry Day. So thank you so much, everyone. And I've read my poem. And now we move to the next poet for today. It is our great honor to welcome Dr. Gulbahar Sidhu. He's a renowned poet and also a columnist. His various articles come in various newspapers. He is a very talented, creative person. He also scripts poems and is a great friend. And we welcome you, Gulbahar, Dr. Gulbahar Sidhu from Punjab, Jalandhar, to share your thoughts, recite your poem, and the IPS West Zone Art and Cultural Subcommittee invite you. And I also want to share with everyone that it was actually Dr. Gulbahar Sidhu's idea to celebrate today's World Poetry Day. And it was his idea for all of us as poets to come together. And because it being my birthday, and we thought how we could collaborate it, and it's good that the IPS West Zone gave us great collaboration. And I also wanted to celebrate the World Poetry Day, but I always thought it's my birthday and how will I plan it? But this year we did it. So over to Dr. Gulbahar Sidhu, and today's program's creative idea is mine and Dr. Gulbahar's contribution to poetry. So over to you, Dr. Gulbahar.
Good evening, everyone. Very happy birthday, Darpan. You are my dear friend for so many years, and feels so good to see you on your birthday. And many thanks to YPS West Zone for calling us from so far, from outside your zone to your program. And it's always a pleasure uh, being with so many great poets here. Dr. Rajiv Jain, I can see he's a brilliant poet and a great painter. So without much ado, I shift to my poem. I've selected two poems today, two small poems. And since uh, the the theme for today is poetry for the psyche, so the first poem is basic theme is that, are we happy for the right reasons? Are we sad for the right reasons? We normally look around and feel happy for reasons which are outside us, around us. We feel sad, disappointed for reasons which are outside us. So the poem is titled Search Within. So search within, for there you will find the reason for your being, the rib tickling joys, the indelible disappointments hidden beneath reams of thought, irreverent and mundane. Understand their irreverence, feel the joy, ignore the disappointments, then wait with bated breath for the tranquil presence, the forbearing assurance of the eternal bliss. So we should learn to search within us for happiness and joy. The second poem is a very small poem, which is again how to deal with the world around us, the double standards and all. So that poem is titled "Be a Recluse." I sometimes try to be a recluse. So be a recluse in the world shackled with rules. Learn to pause, even if without a cause. Learn to smile at the people passing by. Have a look at the clouds rolling by. Listen to the distant thunder. Listen to the falling rain. Fall in love with the soft rustle of the leaves. Feel the divine touch as the wind plays with your lips. Be a recluse in the world shackled by rules. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Dr. Gulbahar, for your wonderful poetry reading on our World Poetry Day. Would you like to share us your thoughts? How did this idea come up with to you for World Poetry Day?
To tell you an honest answer, and that you have credited the idea to me, the idea is not mine. The idea came from Dr. Dipali one day that we should be celebrating World Poetry Day. So we thought the most enthusiastic person who can do it is Darpan. So I was the one who contacted you. So that's how we are here.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So I think the next poet with us, Dr. Gulbahar, is Dr. Dipali. So
Just
over to
wait.
you.
Could you just go on? She'll be joining us in 5 minutes.
She'll be joining? Okay.
Yeah.
We also had Dr. Ananta Dave, who was supposed to join us with us from UK, but she dropped a message that she's got a little busy in her schedule, or she will try to join in, or then we'll proceed to Dr. Rajeshri Ray. We welcome you, Dr. Rajeshri Ray, ma'am. And Dr. Rajeshri Ray has been a great part of our Poets of Psychiatry group. She's been our member all throughout. So, and she's also, she's working across so many organizations, World Psychiatry Association. Dr. Gulbahar is, if the I would welcome Dr. Rajeshri Ray. After Dr. Rajeshri Ray, can I then invite Dr. Dipali, or you would want Dr.
Yes.
Dipali to read
No,
it first?
Dipali is already joined.
Would Dr.
I'm
Dipali?
there.
Hello?
Hanji, Hanji.
You would, Dr. Dipali, you would like to read it now or after Dr. Rajshri Ray?
As you say, ma'am first.
I
Ma'am
think
will do it,
I've
sir.
introduced Dr. Rajshri Ray.
Okay,
Then
sure.
after that, we'll come to
Yeah,
Dr. Pali.
sure, sure.
So
Okay,
Yeah,
Dr.
Ram.
Rajshri Ray, ma'am, serves on the spirituality section of World Psychiatry Association, and ma'am has done great work for the Indian Psychiatric Society. Ma'am has also done great work for SARC Psychiatry Society. She's also edited the SARC magazine with Dr. Gulbahar. She's a great, talented person, and she's been an examiner for the Royal College, and she's also a professor and a consultant psychiatrist, and a very creative person with her mandala art drawings and her knitting and her amazing poetry. So over to you, ma'am, for this very informal program. And I was just supposed to recite a poem. I'm not supposed to do the introductions nor the moderation, but then I've just stop-gapped it on my birthday. So we just sort of an informal program, and it's all impromptu because I'm not prepared to, formally welcome you all, but I just know you all, and you're welcome for my birthday party. Thank you.
Darpan, thank you so much. And once again, a very, very happy birthday to you, dear. Respected President, sir, of Indian Psychiatric Society, Professor T.S.S. Rao, and Professor Mishra, the president of West Zone as well, and all my dear colleagues, happy Poetry Day. I just, the last few weeks, just like everyone, our heart has been very heavy with all the wars that's going on. So and I just thought we must take a moment. We don't always get a chance to think about, together what's been happening to millions of people, hundreds of people and their families that's being affected. And I'm a very old person in a way, and I like to go back to the old poetry. And I just found this poem from Wilfred Owen's famous World War I poem. And if you look at it, this is one of the most famous poems from related to war. It's called Dulce et de cum ramest. It's actually, the title is a Latin phrase meaning it is sweet and fitting to die for your country. But actually, this poem goes on to tell us the horrors of war and how we must try and prevent it. So I'm going to read this poem, reminding ourselves what difficult moments it's been for those people who are going through this difficult time at the moment. Bent double, like old beggars under sacks, knock-kneed, coughing like hags. We cursed through sludge till on the haunting flares we turned our backs, and towards our distant rest began to trudge. Men marched asleep. Men had lost their boots, but limped on, bloodshot, all veined lame, all blind, drunk with fatigue, deaf even to the boots of gas shells dropping softly behind. Gas! Gas! Quick, boys! An ecstasy of fumbling, fitting the clumsy helmets just in time. But someone still was yelling out and stumbling, and floundering like a man in fire or lime. Dim through the misty panes and thick green light, as under a green sea I saw him drowning. In all my dreams, before my helpless sight, he plunges at me, guttering, choking, drowning. If in some smothering dreams you too could pace behind the wagon that we flung him in, and watch the white eyes writhing in his face, his hanging face, like a devil sick of sin. If you could hear, at every jolt, see the blood come gargling from the froth-corrupted lungs, obscene as cancer, bitter as the cut of vile, incurable souls on innocent tongues. My friend, you would not tell them with such high zest, the children ardent of some desperate glory, that it is old lie, dulce et decorum est pro patria mori. It is not glory to die for your mainland. I sincerely pray for all the souls that are being lost in the wars across the world, and hope that we get some relief soon. That's from me on the World Poetry Day. Sorry if the mood has become pensive, but the heart for everyone is very heavy. Thank you, Darpan, for this opportunity.
Thank you so much, Dr. Ashiri, ma'am. It's so wonderful. You are a great poet, as well as your recital is par excellence. Thank you so much for your inspiring words.
Thank you very much, madam. Thank you very much. Lakshmana, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Dr. Mishra. Happy Dada. Thank you, Dada.
Thank you so much. Now it is my great honor to welcome our very sweet and nice Professor of Psychiatry, Dr. Dipali Gul. She's professor at KIMS, Jalandhar. She's also a consultant psychiatrist, and she has been with us across so many creative platforms. She's conducting national workshops along with Dr. Gulbahar on various aspects on art, creative therapies, poetry, films. Recently, we did a national workshop on cinema and mental health, and last year we did at ANSIPS on creative art therapies. So Dr. Dipali herself is a very, very creative person, and she's a member of our Poets of Psychiatry, and it's a great honor to welcome her. And she's also the wife of Dr. Gulbahar Sidhu. So we welcome you, Dr. Dipali Gul, and look forward to hearing your poetry.
Thank you, Darpan, and very happy birthday to you.
Thank you, thank you.
So it's a great opportunity to be with all of you, great poets. I'm nothing, but just a little respected TSS Rao sir and all the members of the West Zone of this committee and all my colleagues, seniors and juniors. So this is my poem, बरगद का पेड़। करम भूमि के आसमान पर एक दिन कैसा अंधेरा छाया, खुशियों की धूप मांद पड़ गई, जीवन का धरातल कांप गया, मुश्किलों के बादल ने घेरा डाला, उदासी की हवा ने समय बांध लिया। यह कैसा मंजर, यह कैसा मौसम, मेरे अंतर्मन ने पूछा। तुम क्यों हो व्यथित, तुम क्यों हो चिंतित? आखिर तुम रिश्तों के शहर में रहते हो, अपने आसपास नजर तो दौड़ाओ। अनगिनत घर, अनगिनत सहारे, अनगिनत मुस्कुराते चेहरे, हर चौखट, हर दरवाजा, हर चेहरा, हर रिश्ता तुम्हें पनाह देगा। तुम क्यों हो चिंतित, तुम क्यों हो व्यथित? हवा का आवेग बढ़ा, बादलों का रंग गहराया, लेकिन यह क्या, सब दरवाजे बंद मिले, सब रिश्ते, सब चेहरे, घरों में नजर बंद मिले। मैं डरा, मैं घबराया, इतने बड़े शहर में अपने आप को अकेला पाया। फिर मैंने उस बरगद के पेड़ को याद किया, जो शहर के बाहर रास्ते पर खड़ा है, जिसकी शरण में जाने को कोई चौखट नहीं, कोई दरवाजा नहीं। अगर है तो फिर खुला मन, निर्मल छाया और समर्पित जीवन। यह बरगद को पेड़ मेरी माँ है, जो जब तक जिंदा है मेरी पनाह है, और प्राण जाने के बाद मेरी यादों का गुलदस्ता है। So this is बरगद का पेड़। Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Dr. Dipali. Thank you for sharing your poetry on this great day. And it's very, very heart-touching and very beautiful words you have shared with us. Thank you so much. And now we come to welcome the next poet, Dr. Tushar Jagawat. He is a renowned poet, written many poetry books, and he writes poems on various days. And he's also a professor of psychiatry in Jaipur, Rajasthan. And he's been a member of our Poets of Psychiatry group and has also taken part in workshops with us and is always encouraging and supportive to our group, and one of the core members of our Poets of Psychiatry group, along with Dr. Gulbahar, Dr. Dipali, Dr. Rajshri Ray. And we welcome Dr. Tushar Jagawat to recite his poetry and share his thoughts on World Poetry Day. Dr. Tushar?
Thank you, madam. Am I audible?
Yes,
Thank
yes.
you. आवाज आ रही है?
A video is
Thank you,
not
thank you.
coming.
Actually,
Yes,
मैं गाड़ी में बैठा हूँ,
yes,
उसमें
yes.
थोड़ा सा नेट प्रॉब्लम है और मे बी सम डार्कनेस में भी दिया। सबसे पहले तो
Yes,
आपको जन्मदिन की
yes.
बहुत 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 बधाइयाँ, शुभकामनाएं। आवाज आ रही है?
Thank you, sir. Yes, आ रही है.
और आज का दिन बहुत शुभ है, आपका जन्मदिन है और शायद इसीलिए आपके अंदर इतनी सारी लिटरेचर की जो स्पेशलिटीज हैं और इतनी टैलेंट है, शायद इसलिए कि आपका जन्मदिन पोइट्री डे के दिन ही है। तो दिस मे बी नॉट अ कोइंसिडेंस, जस्ट इसीलिए आपका और आप ग्रुप बनाया, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। बहुत अच्छा ग्रुप है, बहुत सारे लोग हैं, ऑल आर क्रिएटिव, ऑल आर डायनेमिक। और अभी तक जिन जिन लोगों ने कविताएं सुनाई उनको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। बहुत ही इमोशनल, हार्ट टचिंग कविताएं थी सभी की। और अभी जो वार वाला सीन चल रहा है, दैट इज रियली वेरी पेनफुल। और हम लोग चाहते हैं जल्दी जल्दी ये युद्ध खत्म हो, है ना, ताकि सभी लोग सुख शांति से रहें। और ये जो गैस की कमी है ये भी कम हो जाए, तो हम लोगों को रेगुलर चाय वाय मिल सके। तो एक छोटी सी कविता सुनाऊंगा आज के दिन, जो आज की दिन के हिसाब से लिखी है। इंटरनेशनल पोएट्री डे या विश्व जो कविता दिवस है उसके ऊपर एक छोटी सी कविता है। एक सेकंड में उसको सुनाता हूँ। आओ हम सब मिलकर विश्व कविता दिवस मनाते हैं। आमजन को जीवन में कविताओं का महत्व बताते हैं। कभी सूरज की रोशनी देती है कविताएं, कभी चांद सी चांदनी देती है कविताएं। दुखी उदास दिल को सुन रहे हैं, दुखी उदास दिल को संबल देती हैं कविताएं। रोते हुए मन को मुस्कुराहट देती हैं कविताएं। कुछ कविताओं में और मुलाकातें होती हैं, कुछ कविताओं में तन्हाई, बेवफाई, रुबाई की बातें होती हैं। कुछ कविताएं तो यारों दोस्तों की दोस्ती से भरी होती हैं और कुछ कविताएं दुश्मनी के कटु अनुभवों से भरी होती हैं। कुछ कविताएं प्रकृति, पहाड़, नदियां, पेड़ पौधों की बातें कहती हैं। कुछ कविताएं पशु पक्षियों की, जानवरों की और जीवों की जुबान कहती हैं। गीत, गाने, शेर शायरी और कविताएं हर जीवन का हिस्सा है। हर एक कविता किसी न किसी इंसान की जिंदगी का किस्सा है। कविताओं के माध्यम से कल्पना, विचार, शब्दों का तालमेल होता है। कविताएं मन को मन से, जन को जन से जोड़ने का इंजन जैसे रेल होता है। कविताओं के माध्यम से कल्पना, विचार, शब्दों का तालमेल होता है। कविताएं मन को मन से, जन को जन से जोड़ने का काम करती हैं। कविताओं में शक्ति, उत्साह, उल्लास, उमंग, खुशी और उम्मीद और ऊर्जा होती है। कविता की कलम में ताकत होती है, आशा, विश्वास, सकारात्मक, रचनात्मक और अमरता होती है। कवियों को निरंतर प्रोत्साहन, पुरस्कार, पारितोषिक और सम्मान मिलता रहना चाहिए। कविताओं और कवियों को सभी वर्गों द्वारा आदर, इज्जत और मान मिलता रहना चाहिए। आज इस कविता दिवस पे सभी को दोबारा बहुत बहुत प्रणाम, शुभकामनाएं और धन्यवाद। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much, Dr. Tushar sir, for your great recital of your poem and sharing your thoughts on World Poetry Day and all the great poets of India and abroad. They joined together with us on this Poets of Psychiatry World Poetry Day. So it was great to have you all on with us, and thank you, Dr. Tushar. And despite all your hectic schedules, you all could take some time and share the poetry. And आपकी poem बहुत अच्छी लगी और दिल से एकदम आपने और दीपाली मैम ने हिंदी में कविता रिसाइट की, तो बहुत धन्यवाद। और now we have two more poets before we can conclude the program. Coming to the next, we welcome
Dr. M.S. Darpan. Dr.
Yes,
M.L.
sir.
Agarwal, senior psychiatrist here. He wants to wish you people
Sure,
all the
thank you
best.
so sweet, sir. Hello,
Okay,
namaste,
thank
sir.
you. Thank you. All the best for such a nice program.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
सर, आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे वर्ल्ड पोइट्री दिवस पर?
पोएट्री तो बहुत ज्यादा है हमारी। अभी तुषार कर रहा था, वो तो मेंटल हेल्थ पे लिखता है पोएट्री।
गुड इवनिंग तुषार बहुत बढ़िया साल भर पोएट्री सुनाता रहता डालता रहता है
थैंक यू सर, बहुत बहुत प्रणाम सर, बहुत बहुत प्रणाम, थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू हाँ खुश रहो
Thank you.
ओके ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर द प्रोग्राम
Thank you so
Good
much.
evening. Good evening.
Good.
Okay.
Good.
थैंक
Thank you.
Thank you, Rao sir. Thank you, Dr. Agarwal sir. Thank you so much.
Mm.
We have, I think, 2 more poems, and then our program we will conclude. We have
ओके
डॉक्टर एम.एल. अग्रवाल सर, थैंक यू, आपने हमारे प्रोग्राम में आपकी विश दी, एंड थैंक यू TSS Rao सर that from national level you came and shared your wishes for our program. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, TSS Rao sir, would you like to recite a poem?
नहीं.
मैं पूछ रहा था राव साहब से यही पूछ रहा था
Lines. Any song you want to sing or poem?
नहीं, चलिए.
Okay. Okay, so we'll proceed to the sir, if you would like to recite a poem, please let us know. Impromptu.
no.
Okay, thank you. So we have 2 more poets with us. We welcome Dr. H.K. Bedi ma'am. Dr. H.K. Bedi ma'am is a member, or she's from the armed forces, and she's herself a poet. I think she's published poetry books, and she does lots of public awareness programs and media talks from Punjab. And she's very much interested in creative works in psychiatry, and she writes a lot of poems and shares poems and stories across various platforms. So we welcome you, Dr. H.K. Bedi ma'am. Her full name is Harvandan Kaur Bedi. So over to you, ma'am, to either share your poem or share your thoughts on World Poetry Day. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Darpan, and happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
And respected Rao sir, Agarwal sir, all my seniors, Mishra sir, and all the poetry group people. I've gone with the theme, although, yes, the situation is such that I think the need was more to speak on that. But anyways, like, I could do it somewhere else. So at least that part of, my wish was fulfilled. And it's good also to write something on our profession too. And something in a way, this poem is about how we ourselves feel so scared to speak about our issues, and how courageous are the people who come out and speak about their problems. Hats off to them on this Poetry Day. It's dedicated to all the patients. I mean, your courage is what makes us go, and such courageous people, they are required in the world, and such courageous people are required so that there is, more love and less war. I sat down with silence, not to escape, but to feel the ache that lingers unnamed, the quiet storm beneath the skin. What is this weight in the heart? Why does the stomach churn in knowing some facts? Who taught the body to speak when the brain chose not to? Once I was naive, an observer of storms, standing while storms pass through, choosing silence over the truth. But time has its own language. One day voices gathered, whispers of trauma, echoes of childhood, stories of wounds dressed as normal. And I began to listen. Not to the noise outside, but to the gut that never lied, to the heart that kept on knocking. to emotions waiting, not to explode, but to be seen and acknowledged. I learned not to run, not to suppress, but to pause, to sit down with discomfort without turning away. Yes, it came late. Awareness often does. It came late. Awareness often does. When the body has already spoken in the language of me having diabetes, rising blood pressure, and yes, I acknowledge depression too. In signals, I once again. But healing does not ask, why so late? Simply ask, are you here now? So I carry my story, not as a burden, but as a bridge. I walk into the community, not as someone healed, but as someone willing to share, to listen, to answer the doubts I once carried in silence. Because an unhealed psyche, it aches, but a healed one begins to breathe. A healed one begins to breathe. Thanks, you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Harvander Kaur Bedi ma'am, for sharing your very inspiring, heart-touching, and very meaningful poem. And on World Poetry Day, everyone has come together with such great poems. And thank you so much, Dr. H.K. Bedi. I think your poem has deeply resonated with so many poets who must be attending this program. And all the poems, each one recited, are so beautiful, so heart-touching, and on the theme of poetry for the psyche, with each one spinning their magic, their own thinking, their own creativity, and linking mental health, psychiatry, well-being, poetry, wellness, all for poetry for the psyche. So now we come to the last poet today. We have with us Dr. Rajiv Jain. Dr. Rajiv Jain is a renowned poet from Madhya Pradesh, and he also does a lot of painting and is a very creative person himself, and he's also in very senior capacity in the IPS as well, and I think he's with the Election Commission, and he's a serious person, but he's also a very creative psychiatrist, and he's written books and poems in Hindi, and I was just supposed to read my poem, but today I'm also welcoming you all. And there was someone who was supposed to host this program who couldn't join in. So I've just impromptu welcoming you all without any preparation, and whatever thoughts come to my mind, as I personally know you all. So consider this as my birthday party virtual, and you all are welcome to the Mirror Poets birthday party on World Poetry Day. And over to all of you. Now we welcome Dr. Rajiv Jain to hear his creative poetry. Over to you, sir.
Good evening, Darpan. Can you listen me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So the Mirror Poet, you deserve a very happy birthday from my side, and you have given such a time on your day, which you should have enjoyed otherwise. So this is a great sacrifice on your part. And once I have listened so many people, I have not read them as much. Like Dr. Gul, I have not read actually. Gul Bahar, I know. We are working on a project for a long, so that is going. So their poems I have given to Gul Bahar, and I have forgotten also. I will not recite. And then my writing, my passion goes from my days of the medical college and even before. And I really appreciate the effort of the West Zone, and the president is there. And more so, Dr. T.S.S. Rao has given us time for such a program, which a president of ours gives a time. That is recognizing of the arts and cultural the subcommittee. So I am very much thankful for all these people, those who has made this a day, because Kavita, the kavita which I recite or which I write is really a shairi. And because all of the shades I have seen of the, because none of the, all were the excellent, and having a different kind of the things to say, different way they have to say, different words they have to use. So within a kavita you can have, I also paint, I know how many shades may be there for the emotions, how many things can be there, you can't imagine. So micro level saying, so micro level writing. So this is a great to see the so many poets we can have, and next year we will have much more. तो आदाब, इस महफिल में मैं जैसे कह रहा था, मैं शायरी लिखता हूँ और शायरी कायदे से लिखता हूँ। एक बात और बताओ, कायदे से लिखता हूँ, उसके सारे नियमों का पालन करके लिखता हूँ। तो आप लोगों को भी थोड़ा शायद मजा आएगा कि मैं अल्फाज, काफिया सब पे थोड़ी सी मेहनत भी करता हूँ और लिखता भी हूँ। और बाकी सब लोगों ने जो सुनाया वो वास्तव में बहुत हृदय स्पर्शी था। मैं आपको ले चलूंगा कुछ अपने उस जमाने की तरफ। मैंने कहा ना कि मेडिकल कॉलेज से मुझे लगा शायद मैं लिख लेता हूँ, तो लिखने का अप्रूवल मिलता है कभी कभी किसी अच्छे उस समय की अच्छी पत्रिका में छप जाने से। तो मुझे ये अप्रूवल मिला था, सरिता जो कि पढ़ी जाती थी बहुत घरों में, उसमें पहला अप्रूवल जब मिला तो मैंने कहा मुझे लिख लेना चाहिए। तो मैं वहीं से शुरू करता हूँ। उन कॉलेज के दिनों में जो हम लोगों का 10 साल का कभी कभी सफर होता है, कभी 12 साल का होता है, एक बड़ा लंबा सफर होता है MBBS MD और उसके आसपास का। तो मैं आपको ले चलूंगा वहां जहां से आप आए हैं, और अब हम लोग को छोड़े हुए अनूमन मुझे तो बहुत दिन हो गए, आपको भी बहुत दिन हो गए, उन गलियों में ले जाऊंगा जहां पर हम लोग मिलते थे MBBS के दिनों में। MBBS में जब हम करते थे तो रातें हमारी होती थी, और फिर हम लोग प्रैक्टिस में लग जाते तो सालों साल निकल गए। फिर कहीं सेटल हुए तो एक दिन ध्यान आया कि हम लोग डॉक्टर तो थे मगर हमारे साथी कहाँ गए। अब मैं आपको ज्यादा वो नहीं दूंगा, मगर मैं आपको ले चलता हूं, आप इसको एंजॉय करिए। मेरी कविता, मेरी शायरी का शीर्षक है इसका दोस्त। कि दोस्त मिलते ही नहीं, दोस्त मिलते ही नहीं आजकल उस मोड़ पर, दोस्त मिलते ही नहीं आजकल उस मोड़ पर, आशियाने हैं सब वही, आशियाने हैं वही मीन्स हाउस, आशियाने हैं वही, रास्ते सब ठीक हैं, मैं भी कुछ भूला नहीं, मैं भी कुछ भूला नहीं, कोई मिलता क्यों नहीं आजकल उस मोड़ पर। फिर देयर वाज अ थिंग, वी हैव यूज्ड टू गो द गुमटीज ऑफ द चाय। चाय का इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट रहा करता था इस दोस्ती में। तो उसके लिए 4 लाइनें चाय पर। कोई आजकल उस मोड़ पर, चाय की वो चुस्कियां, चाय की वो सिप्स ऑफ द चाय, चाय की वो चुस्कियां, खबरों की बारीकियां, कह कहे कुछ अनसुने, कह कहे कुछ अनसुने, ख्वाब थे कितने बुने, अब नजर आते नहीं आजकल उस मोड़ पर। शर्त में जीती जो है, चाय में शर्तें बहुत लगती थी, चाय में हम लोग शर्त लगाते थे, शर्त में जो जीती, चाय बाकी है मेरी, चाय बाकी है मेरी, शर्त में जीती जो है, बाट में जोता रहा, आई केप्ट ऑन वेटिंग, बाट में जोता रहा, क्यों मिलेंगे अब यहां आजकल उस मोड़ पर। जाते जाते बोले थे बात फिर कल को करें, जाते जाते, लास्ट मीटिंग, समवंस लास्ट मीटिंग यू रिमेंबर, जाते जाते बोले थे बात फिर कल को करें, बात फिर कल को करें, उनके कदमों के निशान बरसों खोजता रहा मैं फिर, जाते जाते बोले थे बात फिर कल को करें, बात जो बाकी रही, बात जो बाकी रही, बरसों खोजे फिर मैंने, बरसों खोजे फिर मैंने, उनके कदमों के निशान गुम हो गए हैं बियाबां, गुम हो गए हैं, दे आर लॉस्ट इन बियाबां, इसलिए मिलते नहीं है आजकल उस मोड़ पर। भीड़ काफी हो गई, गाड़ियों का शोर है, भीड़ काफी हो गई, गाड़ियों का शोर है, चेहरे भी बदरंग हो गए सब, लोग भी सब खो गए, मिलते नहीं अब यहां आजकल उस मोड़ पर। ये दोस्तों की कविता थी। एक और सुनाई देता हूं, वो जो शायरी का एक अपना रहता है, जिसमें कहते हैं कि मैं अर्ज करता हूं मक्ता, उसके बाद मतलब भी होता है, इसमें कंक्लूजन भी होता है। चलिए, मैं ओनली देयर आर द 8 लाइंस फॉर द कपल्स कपलेट्स, 4 कपलेट्स। जिंदगी में कभी जिया ही नहीं, in this life, जिंदगी में कभी जिया ही नहीं, तेरे हिस्से में तो खता भी नहीं। जिंदगी में कभी जिया ही नहीं, तेरे हिस्से में तो खता भी नहीं। दूसरों के लिए जीता रहा, दूसरों के लिए जीता रहा, अपने हिस्से में तो कुछ बचा ही नहीं। दूसरों के लिए जीता रहा, अपने हिस्से में कुछ बचा ही नहीं। कौन रखता है चाह जीने की, कौन रखता है चाह जीने की। जिंदगी से बड़ी तो सजा ही नहीं, जिंदगी से बड़ी तो सजा ही नहीं। लौट आते हैं परिंदे, लौट आते हैं परिंदे, लौट आते हैं परिंदे होते शाम, लौट आते हैं परिंदे होते शाम। मेरे घर का तो कोई पता ही नहीं, मेरे घर का तो कोई पता ही नहीं। बसते हैं सब इसी ही दुनिया में, बसते हैं सब इसी दुनिया में। सभी एक हाल हों, सभी एक हाल हों, ऐसा हुआ ही नहीं। सभी एक हाल हों, ऐसा हुआ ही नहीं। धन्यवाद, नमस्कार, आदाब। आई रेड टू फॉर यू। आई फील कुछ ठीक ठीक रहे होंगे।
थैंक यू सो मच डॉक्टर राजीव जैन। आपकी पोइट्री सबके दिल को छू गई और मेरे जन्मदिन के दिन पर, वर्ल्ड पोइट्री डे पर, इतने सारे पोइट्स ने इतनी अच्छी शाम को क्या बोलते हैं, 4 चांद लगा दिए। आपके पीछे भी चांद और लाइट्स हैं तो स्क्रीन पर। सो बहुत अच्छा, बहुत बढ़िया दिन था और आप सब लोगों ने अपना कीमती समय निकाला। और राजीव जैन सर की पोइट्री सुनते सुनते थोड़ी हिंदी में मैं भी बात
जी हाँ,
कर
जी हाँ, जी हाँ।
Yes,
इरशाद, इरशाद, इरशाद।
yes. So I think that thank you so much, Dr. Rajiv Jain sir. And I think that if there is any poet who would like to share their thoughts, they can, Dr. Ashiri, Dr. Gulbahar, Dr. Tushar, if Dr. Bedi, if anyone wants to give any other message, and then we like close the program. And
I really would like, I think we should sing for Darpan's happy birthday, isn't it?
Yeah, we have to sing for the birthday of her.
Oh, thank you so much.
Dr. T.S.S. Rao, I think you should
Hello.
start.
Yes.
Again, wish Darpan 100 years of life.
Yeah.
So much.
Happy,
200.
happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy
Happy
birthday to
birthday,
Darpan.
Darpan.
Happy
Happy
birthday to the
birthday
mirror
to
poet.
Darpan ka.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your wishes. Thank you. And if anybody else,
Dr. Agarwal is also wishing you happy birthday.
thank
Okay.
you, sir. Thank
Happy
you.
birthday. All the best wishes
Thank you, sir.
for
Thank you.
your good health, wealth, and promotion of mental health.
Thank you. Sir. We request the Siddha technology person. Can you take a photo shot of everyone, Mr. From the technology
Yes,
side?
yes, ma'am. I have taken the
Can you
screenshot.
take everyone's picture? Smile,
Yeah.
please.
Done, ma'am.
गीत सुनते सुनते भावेश सो ही गया है.
Thank you so much. And I think if there are any other members who attended our program and have not sung their poetry, but they would like to share with us, Dr. Bhavesh, Dr. Deepak Kumar, Dr. Veena Kapoor, I can see the participants. Anyone would like to share their thoughts on this day, you are welcome to please speak. Dr. Bhavesh, Lakrawala, Dr. Veena Kapoor, ma'am. Who else is there? Right. So, right. Mishra sir, you would like to share? Mishra sir? Mishra sir, you'd like to share something? Okay. So, Siddha Technologies person, have you taken a group picture?
Yes, madam, I have taken already.
You've taken, okay. Thank you
Yes,
so
ma'am.
much. Rao sir, would you like to give us a parting message to all of us attending? And this video will be uploaded on YouTube on the IPS West Zone's
ठीक
channel.
है.
So
लकड़ा
Rao-
वाला तो देखो जैसा नाम है वो खड़ा होना था, ये पोएम के वजह से सो ही गया है. समझे ना? It was very effective. Good.
Okay, thank you.
Effect of the poem and shairi.
हाँ,
Mishra sir is back. I think Mishra sir, Mishra Dada, you're going to recite, say a few lines.
Bhavesh, you want to talk? Bhavesh,
You woke up?
उठ गए? Good morning.
Thank you, Raju sir. Thank you very much.
I really like to read and the poems, but I do not write much. But I follow the group in our department. Our president is there. He is a very good poet who writes in Gujarati. I have asked him to join the program, but I think he has not joined. I told him that it will be a good exposure to him. So, but I really appreciate that all of you have shared very relevant points, and I really enjoyed it.
Very good evening.
Good evening, sir. And on your birthday, on the World Poetry Day, wishing you very happy birthday again.
Okay, thank you so much, Bhavesh, for your message. And so I think it's going to be 9 p.m. It's 8:59. Mishra sir, should we close the program? Would you like to give any thoughts?
President, I will request President, sir. Please.
Yeah, Rao sir.
Concluding remarks.
Nine. Absolutely fine. See, these are all things which keeps us awake, enjoy life, and find meaning in whatever we do. All the best. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. And Mishra sir, so with your permission, we will, I think the Siddha Technology want to spotlight everyone. Please spotlight the speakers
Yes,
of
ma'am.
the panel. Yes, spotlight Mishra sir, Rashi Ray ma'am, Dr. Gulbahar, Dr. Deepali, Dr. Tushar. Then we can take a screenshot of the panelists. Yes, can spotlight Tushar sir, Gulbahar, H.K. Bedi ma'am. Wait, can I start? Add spotlight? Yes, I've added some more people. I've added Dr. Rajiv Jain, add spotlight. Then Mishra sir, we've added. Then is Dr. Gulbahar there? Can you see Dr. Gulbahar?
Oh, ma'am.
Any other poets are there whom you can see along on panel? 1 second. Then you can one.
No,
I
ma'am.
can. Yes. So will you take like a screenshot?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I thought you were going to recite some poems.
Okay. So if there's any other poets, just see any speakers who were there that you want to spotlight them in then we can take a picture for the record of our program activities. Mishra, Rajiv Jain, TSS, Rao sir. Right. So I think thank you everyone then. With this, we will close our today's program, and great wishes for happiness, health, prosperity on World Poetry Day to everyone. So good evening and enjoy, and bye-bye, sweet dreams with poetry. Bye-bye, good night. Thank you everyone. Thank you, Mishra sir. Mishra sir, you'd like to say a final bye or a final message as the president?
Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you very much, everybody. Nicely answered. Thank you, Rao sir, for joining. And thank you, Rajesh sir, and everybody. Thank you, Bhavesh bhai. Thank you very much. Good night. Good night.
Bye. Good night.
Actually, I was traveling, so I didn't want to disturb much of it. It's a really nice program.
Dr. Rao sir, our sarees are coming.
राव सर साड़ी पहुंच जाएगा राव सर कभी इसमें ये नहीं करते हैं पहुंच जाएगा आपका रास्ते में पहुंच जाएगा
कोटा से साड़ी आ रहे हैं ना हम लोग के लिए
कोटा से साड़ी पहुंच जाएगा सर थैंक यू
कोटा की साड़ी खरीद के ले आए अभी
गुड नाइट गुड नाइट सर गुड नाइट
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Bye.